Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant irises. The best time to plant these beautiful flowers is during late summer or early fall. This period, typically from August through September, gives the rhizomes ample time to establish a strong root system before the ground freezes. Planting during the peak of summer heat can stress the plants, so it is best to wait for cooler temperatures. Finding the perfect spot is crucial for healthy irises. They absolutely love sunshine, needing a minimum of 6 hours of direct sun each day to bloom profusely. Good drainage is also essential. Irises dislike wet feet, which can lead to rot. If your soil is heavy clay, incorporate some compost or other organic material to improve its structure and drainage. Now let's get to planting. Dig a shallow hole, approximately 10 inches wide and about 4 inches deep. Form a small mound of soil in the center of this hole. Carefully place the iris rhizome on top of the mound, gently spreading its roots downwards. It is important that the top of the rhizome remains partially exposed to the sun, not buried too deeply. After planting, give your new irises a good watering to help settle the soil around their roots. For the first year, ensure they receive consistent moisture, especially during dry spells. In early spring, a low-nitrogen fertilizer can encourage beautiful blooms. Remember to divide your iris clumps every 3 to 5 years to maintain their vigor and ensure continued spectacular flowering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.